Hello and welcome back. In today's guide, we're delving into the captivating realm of AI-generated art. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and visit bing.com. Next, search for AI Image Creator and press Enter. Select the first result you see. You'll find yourself on a straightforward interface. Just type in your desired scene or concept into the search field and click on Create button. Allow it a little time to do its magic. Once ready, you'll be presented with eye-catching images like the ones shown here. Explore these pieces and refine your initial input as desired. The control is entirely yours, as illustrated here. Again, preview your images. Downloading your favorite pieces is simple, just a click away. Creating AI art is truly this easy. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.